Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for February 22nd through March 6th. Before I get into the pattern, I want to talk about the system in the east first. We're going to take a look at that. And this would be 10 p.m. tonight. This is a new GFS. Here's the system. We have snow here moving into lower mid-Atlantic. We have rain to the south, mixed areas of precipitation here. And then we go forward. This would be 1 a.m. in the morning, still down there. Then we go to 7 a.m. in the morning, and it's starting to move into parts of southern New Jersey, eastern, southwestern Pennsylvania, extending back here to the plains. And then we have ice moving into parts of the mid-Atlantic, mixed precipitation, and then rain to the south. And then we'll go to 10 a.m. Now it's snowing. 10 a.m. Now it's snowing across the mid-Atlantic. Ice to the south, mixed precipitation. And then we go to 4 p.m. It's still snowing in parts of the mid-Atlantic. Now it's starting to change to mixed precipitation and ice in parts of Pennsylvania and into Virginia. And then we have rain into the Midwest. And then by 7 p.m. tomorrow, now it's starting to rain here across parts of the Mid-Atlantic, ice further inland. Snow is only making it into parts of New York State. And then we look at the operational GFS, and it's similar. Snow starts pushing in by 7 a.m. Wednesday, parts of the Mid-Atlantic. Then we go to 10 a.m. It is snowing across parts of the Mid-Atlantic, ice to the south. 1 p.m. is still snowing. 4 p.m. it's still snowing here. And then it starts mixing with ice. And then we go to 1 a.m. on Thursday. It's raining fairly hard. That's the GFS. And then we go to the European. And notice where the 540 line is here across southern New Jersey, southwestern Pennsylvania. And now it looks like it might be mixed precipitation or ice. And then it goes over to rain here early by 7 p.m. tomorrow. The European is faster in changing it with the rain snow line across southern New England. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for February 22nd to 26th, and we still have a strong ridge here over the North Pacific with a trough here in the west, ridge over the Caribbean with above normal heights in the west. The model's a good agreement with this. And conditions will be favorable for a multi-day rain event from the lower Mississippi and Ohio and Tennessee valleys to the southern and central Appalachians and the mid-Atlantic through Saturday. An amplified trough in the west will result in terrain enhanced heavy snow over the southwest and the southern and central Rockies on Friday. Now the trough is forecast to move through the central and northeast states this weekend, and this system will bring another threat of significant accumulating snows and icing possible with a deepening surface low from the plains to the upper Midwest, the Great Lakes, and New England. Okay, now we're going to talk about the next system here in the east. Okay, here we are Friday, 10 a.m., and we'll go to Friday, 7 p.m., and we're starting to see rain here across the lower mid-Atlantic. And then we go to 10 p.m., 1 a.m., and then we go to 10 a.m. Saturday. Rain starts moving in here because we're going to have a high that will be sliding eastward off the coast, and that's not a condition favorable for cold air damming east of the Rockies. And then we go to 1 p.m. Saturday, and then we go to 10 p.m. Sunday. Now we have rain. Here's a storm. This is really cranking up. This is 988 millibars. This is the new GFS. And I'm going to go later here in the time period. Now we'll look at the operational GFS. And it shows light precipitation moving in. And notice where the 540 line is here across southern New England, New York. And then we still have rain moving in. Now we're at Sunday, it's rain. Rain possibly mixed here across parts of New England, snow across Maine. That's where they'll be getting all the snow, and back here across the upper Great Lakes. So in the meantime also, we'll have a couple of waves that will track southward through the northwest into the weekend and early next week. That would bring snow here to the northwest and the Mountain West. Okay, February 25th to March 1st. And little overall changes forecast in the pattern. So for this forecast, I'm calling for below normal temperatures from the plains to the Pacific coast, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees below normal. And we have above normal temperatures here with the numbers of 4 to 6 degrees above normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation for this region here. The probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Above normal precipitation forecast here. Probability of occurrence 35 to 45%. Now the next is the period for March 2nd to the 6th. And the strong ridge remains across here. This might be a change later, pushing this trough further to the east. And this will kind of suppress this ridge here over the Atlantic. But the pattern looks pretty much the same. This ridge starts sliding out, but we have a trough here above normal heights. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures for much of this region here. Forecasting anomalies at 6 to 12 degrees below normal, near normal here as this trough or this ridge starts moving out, this trough moves in, and near normal. So, and for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation from the plains to the Pacific coast, probability of occurrence 35 to 45%, and then we have above normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence is 45%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for February 22nd to March 6th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.